Hello, good evening, dear friends. Myself, Shubhankar Rai, is a geotechnical and structural consultant having an experience of 23 years. So, meantime, I have gathered a lot of experience. Some of them I want to share with you. It is really the most surprising thing that maximum people associated with civil engineering projects are not aware about the most important thing, that is soil investigation. People's developers are in maximum cases are very ignorant. In that situation, I want to draw your attention that what the problems may come in future. We often found that there are, after construction and after a span of time, it can be observed that several vertical crackage has been developed along the wall. It is often observed also that there is a beam column junction crackage was developed. It is also observed that for a single story building, the wall has been inclined or the building has been inclined in one direction. So just think about that. The soil sometimes is not capable to take the load from a single story building. And think about that we are going for a high rise building without having a proper soil investigation. People still do not know. People still what they are doing. They are doing soil investigation only for the purpose to get the sanction from the sanctioned authority. But it is not. Sanctioning authority is the authority who will take care about all the things has been done or not in hard copy, but it is not possible for them that what is actually going on, it is not possible for them also. But the peoples who are very related and affected with the projects, the developer, the engineers, they should know that how it may be detrimental to the structure. Soil is having the most vulnerable characteristics. It settled in different manner in different area. A huge number of parameters are associated to describe the shape bearing capacity and settlement of a soil under a load. If load increase, the settlement characteristics may change. Though it is not occurred with steel or RCC, rather it is very much defined characteristics. But in case of soil, it is not. We often found that the soil characteristics, what we have found in a bore or in a place, if we just go 100 feet away and dig a bore again to get the soil sample, we found that there is a lot of differences are there. In that context, I also want to mention another dangerous incident or incident rather we can say that a pond was there and it has been filled up with the landowner after 50 years or 60 years when the construction is basically going on. That means promoter or developer want to go for the construction on the land, They don't have any idea that before 50 years there was a pond. But the fact is that without a proper compaction procedure, the soil or the void which is filled with the normal soil or any soil that is not properly compacted, and so the capacity of the soil becomes very less. Rather, it can be considered as the fill up soil. So these things we should have to keep in our mind, because a improper soil investigation lead to the detrimental effect in the structure may ruin, the structure may collapse, a lot of maintenance cost or retrofitting rehabilitation cost can be attracted. So in my suggestion, each of us should be very conscious about the proper soil investigation, and in my views, soil investigation should be done by the appropriate, or you can say a authentic company headed by a authentic geotechnical engineer who has a good amount of experience, because in this field particularly learning is not enough.